This costume is so easy to make and is one of my very favorites. To make your own, you need a yellow shirt, black duct tape sheet, green felt, a toilet tissue roll, a hot glue gun, and a headband. Start by cutting out several V shapes from the tape. Add them all over the shirt. To make the headband, cut out a leaf garland in various sizes. Starting at the bottom, glue the leaves to the toilet paper roll. Glue around the roll about 1 inch to 1.5 inches and add another layer and continue until the roll is full. Cut out a circle to act as the base. Glue the circle onto the headband and glue the topper onto the circle. Trim any leaves as needed and add any in place where it doesn't look full. I paired the top and headband with black leggings and this costume was complete. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.